Kat Dillon, registered holistic nutritionist and chef, and I'm a breadcrumbs I'm using today. I've pre-grated some gluten-free breadcrumbs. They're already set to go. Grated those. I've got some Parmesan cheese, about 2 tablespoons. I've got half of a lemon to zest, and I've got a little bit of butter for my roasted asparagus. I've got some fresh chopped parsley, about 2 tablespoons. I've got about half a teaspoon of marjoram, half a teaspoon of thyme, and about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. So let's put this together. So we're going to start with our breadcrumbs right in the bowl. I'm going to throw in some cheese, Parmesan cheese, all of my herbs and garlic powder. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of moisture with just a little bit of olive oil, just a little drizzle. Slowly integrate all those beautiful ingredients. And there you've got your breadcrumbs. What I'm going to do is take my roasted asparagus and kind of give it a little bit of freshness. I'm going to take my half of a lemon and give it a little bit of zest, just finely grated, not too much, just like that. And I'm going to toss that around just a little bit, just gently tossed. Remember, always when you're roasting your vegetables, always give it some salt and pepper. Give it a little love there. And that's it. We're going to just spoon this on, broil it, keep a good eye on it for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and there you have it. You're all done.